Like that. Do you remember the first big artist you remember seeing in the neighborhood and you said, yo, this is a big artist here?
First artist me ever seen a real life, a ninjaman.
Mm.
I mean, a little youth. But him come down our mother yard because he used to have this youth when he Skinner. Him come from Painland. Him a ninjaman in used to par. Skinner my mother friend. So Skinner bring ninjaman them in the yard. And then when we find out that him send for the protection, you can just imagine two little youth in awe of this big, huge celebrity. Them time every artist in our some chain big from their neck to their ears, you know, brother. So I just see them and know say the artist that, you know, no joke.
So Ninja was the first one that you seen, and this right there, you said, okay, this is what you got.
In my yard. I never have to go and dance, you see, in my yard, bro.
Mm-hmm.
The man come in my yard. All right. Ninja man come in my yard. And me use that hyper school for about 4 years. Yeah, man. And we are the biggest thing. And Ninja man come in my yard and we are twin. Can't imagine we done popularity just by the mere fact that we are twin. And then Ninja man come in our yard. That not happen to regular people. Mm-hmm. And them time they never have the whole of a phone to prove it. But guess what? News fly around in a second. Believe it or not. Just as fast as it spread now. Believe it.
Mm-hmm.
By Ninja man walk out of the yard, everybody I tell us they hear. Somebody you go back to school, enough man at school you already took. That was how powerful artist was one time. You think what I don't know, man, wicked.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.